the union government and two politicians from the state. The question is, are we close to watching the suspense end in the exit drama? Because big indications are coming in from Yediyurappa himself that he may be on his way out now. He has said there is no dearth of leaders to take his position now, but he will not cross the Lakshman Rekha drawn by the Bharatiya Janata Party top command. All this, remember, while there are groups of religious seers who got together in a massive show of strength to support and back Yediyurappa for now as the chief minister. So here's all that you should know. What has been happening in the Nataka from Karnataka? Take a look.
Amid the political crisis and suspense over exit of B.S. Yediyurappa, no end to political posturing. Yediyurappa gave massive signs of bowing out ahead of a possible announcement, claiming that there are no dearth of young leaders and he will work with whoever comes after him as one unit.
ನಮ್ಮ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಯಿಂದ ಅನೇಕ ಹಿರಿಯ ನಾಯಕರುಗಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಕೇಂದ್ರದ ನಾಯಕತ್ವ ಏನು ತೀರ್ಮಾನ ತಗೊಳ್ತೋ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬದ್ಧವಾಗಿ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಒಟ್ಟಾಗಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ. ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಕಾರ್ಯಕರ್ತರು ಹೈಕಮಾಂಡ್ ಹೇಳೋದನ್ನ ಗೆರೆ ದಾಟಲ್ಲ. ಅದರಂತಾನೆ ಇದುವರೆಗೂ ನಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದಿದ್ದೇವೆ, ಮುಂದೆನೂ ನಡ್ಕೊಂತೇವೆ.
Seers of BSY's influential Lingayat community are backing the beleaguered chief minister. Over 500 of them assembled in Bengaluru on Sunday to send out a clear message to BJP top brass.
कर्नाटक में फ्लड है, कोरोना प्रॉब्लम है, बहुत प्रॉब्लम्स है. इस समय में येडियुरप्पा जी नेतृत्व में समस्याओं को निकालना चाहिए. इसलिए येडियुरप्पा जी को बदलाव मत करना.
Meanwhile, Chief Minister Yediyurappa played the loyal BJP worker and expressed confidence in top leadership, while urging his loyalists, including the seers, not to hold any show of strength.
ಅದೇನು ಯಾವುದೇ ಸ್ವಾಮಿಗಳ ಈ ಥರ ಸಭೆ ಮಾಡುವಂಥ ಅಗತ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಪ್ರಧಾನಿ ನರೇಂದ್ರ ಮೋದಿ ಅವರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ, ಅಮಿತ್ ಶಾ ಬಗ್ಗೆ.
Amid the high voltage drama, BJP High Command gave mixed signals on the potential exit, with JP Nadda praising the 78-year-old chief minister.
अच्छा है, उन्होंने अच्छा काम किया है और कर्नाटक ठीक ढंग से चल रहा है. बाकी येडियुरप्पा जी अपने तरीके से सब चीज़ों को देख रहे हैं.
Karnataka Chief Minister is marking 2 years in office with a grand event in Vidhan Soudha on Monday. The event will also mark the launch of a book highlighting the achievements of his government in the last 2 years. Opposition leaders Siddaramaiah, D.K. Shivkumar, H.D. Kumaraswamy are among those invited for the event. The clock is still ticking for Chief Minister B.S. Yediyurappa amid a huge buzz about change in leadership in the state. All eyes are on the diktat from BJP's central leadership that will seal the 78-year-old Chief Minister's fate.
Now, with Chief Minister B.S. Yediyurappa himself stating that it is only a matter of time before the BJP High Command comes out with their final decision, the question remains if this last-ditch effort by seers from the community can really help him out. For India Today in Bengaluru, this is Nolan Pinto.